We're on trombone student page 6A. Now number 2 is the same as number 1, but with the slurs added in. So they just kind of use the first one to set it up. Now look to number 3, and number 3 is actually pretty much the same as number 2. Down to number 4, we are changing positions, but still using either a do tongue or no tongue, except when you start. When you go from the B flat to the C, you can actually do that with tongue. Or you can do a natural lip slur where you let the air and the slide do the work. That kind of setup works better when you do the correct E's as natural. So here's number 4, and I'm going to do it twice. Once with natural lip slurs, and once with the do tongue as we change notes. I'll switch that. I will do the do tongue first, since that's what the book is asking for. Now I'll do the natural lip slur, which you will also hear some people call fretting. You hear that called fretting or against the grain. Here's number 5. And moving on down to number 6 next. Number 7, settings of a chromatic scale. That one again, I'm going to slow it down a bit. That for a first time reading through, you might want to be able to hear and lock those notes in a little more accurately than what I just did. And number 8. Number 8 is a scale exercise where we're locking in on the B flats, we lock in on the Fs, and then we lock in on the low B flats. Number 9, expanding intervals. page number 10. All right, so nice. They take us from B flat to A flat. We've got the D flat. So they kind of mix up our tonal center there. So some nice writing stuff there. If you are working through this page and you're working through those lip slurs, but you want something a little more challenging, I recommend the Emery Remington warm-up book for trombone. He was the college trombone teacher at Eastman School of Music for quite a long time, and he's got stuff that's doing 5 and 7 and better than that. But if you're at the point where this is the book you're in and you're working through these, I would stick with this, and then you can expand on that later. Right. Thanks for watching and subscribing.